Hisense TVs can freeze or buffer due to several common reasons. Let's explore the main causes that prevent smooth streaming playback. First, hardware limitations play a big role. Many Hisense TVs have only 2 to 4 gigabytes of RAM in entry-level models, which isn't enough for smoothly decoding high-definition streaming content. Slow processors can also struggle with complex video data. Second, network problems are common culprits. Weak Wi-Fi signals, interference from other devices, or outdated Wi-Fi protocols can lead to unstable connections that interrupt streaming. Third, software issues often cause problems. Outdated apps or firmware can create compatibility problems with Hisense's Android TV operating system, resulting in freezes or buffering during playback. Buffering specifically occurs when your TV can't decode streaming data quickly enough, causing pauses in playback. The good news is that many of these freezing and buffering issues can be resolved with simple fixes you can do at home. Wi-Fi instability is a common cause of freezing and buffering on Hisense TVs, often due to interference or weak signals. Start by moving your router closer to the TV to improve signal strength. For less congestion, switch to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band in your TV's network settings. This band offers faster speeds and fewer devices competing for bandwidth. For the most stable connection, connect your TV directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. This eliminates Wi-Fi-related buffering and freezing. Consider upgrading to a mesh Wi-Fi system like Google Nest. These systems provide consistent coverage throughout your home, eliminating dead zones that cause connection drops. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues with streaming apps and lead to freezing or buffering problems. Check for updates by navigating to Settings, System Update. This menu allows you to manually check for available firmware updates. On Hisense TVs, the System Update option appears in the main settings menu. Select it to check for new firmware versions. Install any available updates when prompted. Recent firmware versions, such as 1.12 for ULED models and 140 for Android-based TVs, include bug fixes and performance improvements. These updates often address freezing and buffering by improving app compatibility with platforms like Netflix and Hulu and enhancing network handling for smoother streaming. App-related issues are frequent culprits behind freezing and buffering on Hisense TVs. Start by clearing the cache for streaming apps like Netflix, Hulu, or Disney Plus in the TV's settings. If clearing the cache doesn't resolve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This ensures you have the latest version and a fresh installation without corrupted data. Start by inspecting your HDMI cables to ensure they're securely connected and not damaged. A loose or faulty cable can interrupt the signal and cause freezing or buffering issues. Make sure the cable is firmly plugged into both the TV and your device. Look for the HDMI ports on the back of your TV and ensure a secure connection. Next, close any unnecessary background apps running on your TV. Too many open apps can strain the TV's resources and lead to freezing. Hisense's newer models from 2025 and beyond are integrating AI-driven diagnostics to predict and manage buffering issues before they occur. Look for TVs with features like automatic buffer management, which optimizes your streaming experience in real time, and AI upscaling that enhances video quality without increasing bandwidth needs. For streaming in 4K or 8K, consider upgrading your internet plan to at least 25 megabyte per second to handle the higher data demands. Keep an eye on advancements like Wi-Fi 6, which offers faster speeds and reduced interference, and the upcoming 6G technology that promises even more stable connections.